Video entry number 5. I'm going to show you guys how I built a sparker. Now for this sparker, I wanted to be able to control it remotely and also by the touch of a button. I wasn't really intending to use the button operation really at all. One of the cool things that you can do with this is you can automate a potato launcher. And I did that in one of my videos a long time ago where I hooked up an Arduino 101 and used the Bluetooth in order to ignite the potato launcher.
This was so that I was very far away and couldn't be caught in any possible bad scenario, and that's why I ended up doing that.
Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you next time.